Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A72S. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app you've got access to internal storage, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, and apps. Also you can go to Save folder, Favorites, use Nearby Share function to send and receive files, and Clean function to clean junk files from the smartphone. If you go to menu, you've got access to Trash Can. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.